Good morrow. Welcome to the 17th century English village. I hope you'll join us as we open up today.
Creams, potatoes, tomatoes, beans, creams, potatoes, tomatoes, beans, creams, potatoes, creams, creams, potatoes.
So are you ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Aber nicht bei mir bitte. Nicht mehr eine Stunde.
So a couple weeks ago I made a video about walking outside and the sunlight making you sneeze and why that is. And I got questions like this about dark chocolate and also about mint toothpaste and is this all the same? So I decided to look into it and yes, it is. They found that flavors like dark chocolate, mint, grapefruit, spicy foods, some wines create that same photic sneezing response as the bright sunlight does. And it affects 11 to 30% of the population, depending on what study you're looking at. 23andMe has found 54 different markers that connect to that response, so it is genetic. basically kind of the gist is that there's a strong stimulus coming in, and that's what triggers it, but they don't exactly understand why it happens with these flavors. So, no, we don't exactly know why it's happening, but you're not alone. It's a very real thing that 11 to 30% of the population experience.
Strax på Arvingarna. Stiftelsen väntar också precis som Peter Lundblad.
Black and blue burger, blue cheese. Right? What one did you get?
For the third time now, the fondue burger. Do you want to take a bite of this fucking thing or what?
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Okay, here. Oh! Who does that? Did you just sneeze in my burger? No, that's...
Give me a nap.
Nope, I'm calling DoorDash. There's something wrong with my order. Somebody shit in my burger. Was it good? I think it's all over me.
You sneeze all the time, now you don't want to sneeze.
Sorry.
Away. Okay. Watch out. Do not, you sneeze on me. Are you doing this on purpose? You sneeze on me. You sneeze on me again. Yeesh. I'm hella mad.
Uh-oh.
What?
I smell... horses. Hello? Hello?
First, I want to say thank you to all of the Neese tribe. Subscribers and Patreon members, we could not do this without you. You guys keep us lifted up and supported.